Hello, everybody. Andrea Mayeski here with Epicure. So I do get a lot of questions about, tell me about your team. How do you manage your team? And why should I sign up with you and not somebody else? And that is a very good question because if you've been in a direct sales company before, you know it does really depend on your team, your support system. Even if you haven't, it doesn't matter because we all remember, you know, um, in school, okay? Having a good teacher makes all the difference. If you don't like your teacher or you just don't get along, well, that could mean you do not do well in that class. If you don't have good classmates around you, if they're not very helpful, they're not very supportive, well that kind of hinders your success. And whether you're independent or not, you might have a million questions or none. Everybody's learning styles are a little bit different. And I don't know if I've mentioned this in a while, but I do teach actually dental hygiene and dental assisting students online. So I've had my own tutoring company for about 15 years now. So I love teaching, like teaching, tutoring, that's what I love to do. I'm a dental hygienist by trade, and I do have my own business where I actually go to people's homes and I clean their teeth in their, homes, offices, nursing homes. Depending on where you live, your dental hygienist might not be able to do that, but here in Canada, we can do that. But anyways, we don't have to talk too much about that. But just to kind of tell you guys, I love teaching and I love training. So if I have to sell myself a little bit here, and that is a good question, why should you sign up with me and not another consultant? So everybody's different. I might not be the best fit for you. I might not be. If you find me annoying or you don't like my personality, then I might not be the best fit for you, right? Makes sense. But I will be there. If you have 10 million questions, I don't care. I love questions. When I first started with Epicure, I had tons of questions too. And, we all want to have our questions answered. But the nice thing is, oh, sorry, guys, my dogs are just barking. Somebody was just outside. Maybe I'll just shut my door a little bit. Sorry, guys, 1 second. Sorry, guys. That's what happens when you work from home, right? Where was I? Shoot, sorry. Talking about myself and why you should sign up with me, and then talking about questions and how a million questions are okay. Oh, yes. So, and the nice thing to you guys is that we do have a page on Facebook. It's called Epicure USA and Canada training page. So even if you do have a question or a lot of them, and I can't answer you right that minute, then if you post in that page, there are other members who are more than happy to help you. And it's not that page where if you post a question, you have to wait to have the post approved first. No, I do not do that because that takes too much of my time. So you will be able to post a question and get an answer right away. Plus, if you're a part of my team, we have a Facebook chat where on Messenger, where if you need a question answered like now, you just have to post, or I'm sorry, send a message in the Facebook Messenger chat and we can all pretty much answer you right away. Because that happens when you're first with a company, Epicure. You might not have questions yet, but then you might be looking through the website, looking through those products, and then saying, oh shoot, how many carbs is in this? Does anybody know? Like, I don't have time to look through all of these pages. Does anybody know? Well, maybe one of us can help you. So you just have to post, ask a question, and then we can help you. Because it's common to have more questions as you go along. Plus, I'm on the Facebook Live a lot. So if you guys have, questions, if you're like, okay, I have a lot of questions, can we just book a time to kind of chat online? Yes, you guys, anytime. I am here for you because I want you all to be able to sell Epicure and make money. But more importantly, this is exciting. Like, I want you all to be excited about cooking. Cooking and saving time, saving money. In my life, time is money. If I can save time, I'm saving money. Honestly, I am so busy. But anything that I can do to save time is amazing. And also, me and my husband love to eat. Like, food is our number one. Literally, we went on our honeymoon, and food was our number one priority. If it doesn't have good food, we're not gonna go. Food is our thing, so that makes us happy. Cooking good food makes us so happy. So I want you all to have the same thing. And being a part of Epicure, that's the most important thing, is you need to be excited about food and get excited about cooking. If those things don't excite you, you're with the wrong business, and I can't help you. There's nothing that I can say to help you, because if you're trying to sell Epicure yet you don't use the products, or don't like the food, or you don't like to eat or something, nobody's going to buy it, because that's a big fat lie, right? So you need to be posting your excitement. You don't have to be doing what I'm doing, but if you make chicken, post about it. If you make the like amazing chocolate pudding that we have, post about it. People love to see all of that. So any questions, you guys? I'm trying to, what else can I say to sell myself? Just pretty much, I am more than happy to help. We do have a large team, but it's not thousands of people where I don't have time for you, if that makes sense. I specialize in selling online, because I don't typically do cooking classes in my own house, at least not yet, because things are just so busy. So if you guys need help with like cooking classes online or in person, I can help you. I've been selling Epicure now for almost 3 years, and I love it. It's the most amazing thing ever. I am always so excited for a new catalog. We have a new catalog coming out soon. I'm beyond excited for that. And Epicure USA is launching. Yay, exciting, right? Yeah, so let me know though if you guys do have any questions about me and why you should sign up with me and not somebody else, because you have nothing to lose. Even if you sign up, you purchase the kit, and then think, okay, Epicure selling isn't for me. Oh well, keep everything for yourself, because it's like $450 worth of product for $175, and that includes like taxes, everything. You have nothing to lose. That's the best part. You have nothing to lose, because you're not purchasing a kit on like makeup or something, and you might not be able to use all of it. But food, seasonings, cooking, you can use that, right? Because we all have to eat. Speaking of which, I have to make dinner. I am starving. It's like 7:16. Things have been so busy. I haven't eaten yet. But I hope this does help you guys. Please let me know if there's any questions. Make sure to click like, please, so then that way I kind of know that people are actually watching me talk to myself and talk to you guys. So thank you so much. I will see you guys soon. And if you have any questions, let me know. Thank you.